Good morning, sir. This is Vijay Kumari, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE from New Prince Sri Bhavani College of Engineering and Technology. As your guidance, I created one account as a teacher in Canvas tool, which is an LMS platform. So this is my account named as Vijay, and I created one course, published one course, Optical Communication. In that course, I created here 3 modules. The first module is Introduction to Optical Communication. Second module is Signal Degradation Optical Fiber. And third module is Fiber Optic Source. So based upon this, I planned a lesson plan and I posted in the calendar. Here from 29th August, the course will be started at the time of 9 to 10, and I planned at 30th the 2 session, morning 8 to 10, 2 to 3, and I going to cover the topic at a time of 8 to 10, introduction, 2 to 3, optical loss. So this is nothing but a sample I am created this. So this is my lesson plan, course plan. So I published one course. So in my first unit, I posted the 2 files. The first file is nothing but a PPT that provide a material, and second file is recorded message, and third one is I am assigned one assignment to that student. So in assignment tab, you can see the assignment elements of optical communications, and one discussion will be given to that student in unit 2 is single mode is suitable for long distance communication. He also be posted, and based upon that poster I graded the students. So this is my course outcome. This is my course outcome. What I assigned it to that student, he replied me, and I assigned it the grader to him. Next one is who are the people I added means the one person, Sandil. As a student I added, and I add one page. In that page I posted one video, fiber introduction, that will be screen recorder in PPT by OBS software, and I posted 2 files. One is a PPT, another one is a recorded message, and syllabus is what are the syllabus, what are going to take. So this is the quiz I will be posted in the modules. In third module, I posted one practice quizzes, optical communication ray theory. Okay. So this is my question. This is my question. Another one is losses in optical fiber. So these are all the modules, 3 modules. So for the 3 modules, I published 3 modules to that student. He replied one assignment. He threaded. Okay. Here for the discussion, he replied me, and likewise for assignment he replied me. Okay. Here I can able to download my submission, and I posted the attendance for him. For today attendance, I marked as present. So this is my course outcome. This is my course outcome. One discussion, one announcement, and 6 assignment will be given to that student. Okay, so these are the lesson plan, course plan. This will indicate the course plan. So for my course outcome, the course report is 100%. When I averaging the students, I get the course outcome as 100%. So this will be recorded by using a OBS software only. Thank you, sir. So this 5 days FDB program is very informative, and I can learn so much of platform, how make the students interactive while it will be in online class. Thank you very much, sir.